spinning arrows.
This is copyright. But it is not intentional. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Wimawee, wimawee,
Wimawee, wimawee, wimawee, wimawee, wimawee, wimawee, wimawee.
wimawee, 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 wimawee.
Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the quiet village. From http://www.alyrics.net. The lion sleeps tonight. Not affiliated with them. Hush.
Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. These lyrics are submitted by Niantic. These lyrics are last corrected by Oarsman. We not infringe on copyright as we told where this came from. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Turtle Power.
Oops, wrong time period. Don't judge SlideTalk by how it is used. To see my Miiverse ID Steven 9 Wii on the Wii U. My me is missing. You the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
What is a stylus?
A stylus is, as Wikipedia say, a stylus, plural. Styluses or a styli, 1, 2, is a writing utensil, or a small tool for some other form of marking or shaping, for example in pottery. It can also be a computer accessory that is used to assist in navigating or providing more precision when using touch screens. It usually refers to a narrow, elongated staff, similar to a modern ballpoint pen. Many styluses are heavily curved to be held more easily. Another widely used writing tool is the stylus used by blind users in conjunction with the slate for punching out the dots in Braille. Styluses were first used by the ancient Mesopotamians in order to write in cuneiform. Egyptians, Middle Kingdom, and the Minoans of Crete, linear and Cretan hieroglyphic, made styluses in various materials. Reeds that grew on the sides of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, and in marshes and down to Egypt, where the Egyptians used styluses from sliced reeds with sharp points. Bone and
3. Stylus, spinning arrows. The word stylus, along with the word style, comes from the Latin word stylus, meaning a stake, a pointed instrument, used by the Romans, for writing upon wax tablets. 4, which derives from the Greek word meaning pillar, and style for writing on wax tablets. 5. A different suggestion is that the word does not derive from the Greek word, but that it is a common root with the Greek verb, meaning mark. According to the 1875 London Dictionary of Greek and Roman Antiquities, a stylus is an object tapering like an architectural column, a metal instrument resembling a pencil in size and shape, used for writing or recording impressions upon wax tablets. It signifies TS TS and Wii U gamepads. There exists minor controversy about the correct pluralization of stylus. Some assert that stylus is a direct loanword from Latin and should be pluralized as styli. However, stylus is an English word based on the Latin word. Use in music recording and reproduction. Edit, a gramophone cartridge with stylus for use on vinyl records. A late use of the stylus in audio and the sound recording industry. A stylus is a phonograph or gramophone needle used to play back sound on gramophone records, as well as to record the sound indentations on the master record. Several technologies were used to record the sounds, beginning with wax cylinders, almost half a century before the invention of the magnetic cartridge. Nowadays mostly vinyl records are used. When playing the record, the stylus is placed in the grooves of the record. By then spinning the record, the stylus start to vibrate caused by the shape of the grooves. These vibrations are then converted by the cartridge. The harder the material used, the harder the stylus has to be. Citation needed. For shellac records, a disposable stylus softer than the record was generally preferred for preservation of the recording. The styluses for playing vinyl records are M. Styluses may be used for handwriting or drawing on a touch-sensitive surface, for example the Nintendo DS. Group of ones, group of ones. Group of ones.